Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discussing about problems on alligation and mixtures. Now we will see the first question. Two vessels contains milk and water in the ratio 8:6 and 4:10. If the both vessels are mixed in the ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. Now we will see the answer for this question. Now we can see in the first vessel. In first vessel the milk is 8 parts and the water is 6 parts. And in the second vessel the milk is 4 parts and the water is 10 parts. So in both the vessels the parts are equal because 8 plus 6 equal to 14 and 4 plus 10 equal to 14. In any question like this, if the parts are equal in both the vessels, directly add the ratios. Now 8 plus 4 equal to 12 and 6 plus 10 equal to 16. Now the new ratio is 12 is to 16. Now I am cancelling with fourth table. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s is 16. Now the new ratio is 3 is to 4. Now the ratio of milk and water in new mixture is 3 is to 4. Now we will see the next question. Two vessels contains milk and water in the ratio of 9:6 and 5:10. If the both vessels are mixed in the ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. Now we will see the answer for this question. Follow the same procedure. In first vessel, the milk is 9 parts and the water is 6 parts. In second vessel, the milk is 5 parts and the water is 10 parts. In both the vessels, the parts are equal because 9 plus 6 equal to 15 and 5 plus 10 equal to 15. If the parts are equal like this, directly add the ratios. Now 9 plus 5 equal to 14 and 6 plus 10 equal to 16. Now the new mixture is 14 is to 16. Now I am cancelling with second table. 2 7s are 14, 2 8 is 16. Now the new mixture is 7 is to 8. Now the ratio of milk and water in new mixture is 7 is to 8. Now we will see the next question. Two vessels contains 3 liquids ABC in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5 and 3 is to 6 is to 1. If the both the vessels are mixed in the ratio of 1 is to 1, find the ratio of 3 liquids in new mixture. Now we will see the answer for this question. In first vessel the liquid A is 2 parts and the liquid B is 3 parts and the liquid C is 5 parts. Total 10 parts. In second vessel the liquid A is 3 parts and the liquid B is 6 parts and the liquid C is 1 part. Total 10 parts. In both the vessels the parts are equal. If the parts are equal, directly add the ratios. Now the new ratio is 5 is to 9 is to 6. So the ratio of 3 liquids in the new mixture is 5 is to 9 is to 6. Now we will see the next question. Two vessels contains milk and water in the ratio of 3 is to 4 and 2 is to 3. If the both vessels are mixed in the ratio of 1 is to 1, find the ratio of milk and water in new mixture. Now we will see the answer for this question. In the first vessel the milk is 3 parts and the water is 4 parts. In the second vessel the milk is 2 parts and the water is 3 parts. In first vessel the milk and water is 7 parts and in the second vessel the milk and water is 5 parts. Now here the parts are not equal. Now to make the parts equal, I am going to multiply the first ratio with 5 and second ratio with 7. Now the new ratios are 15 is to 20 and 14 is to 21. Now in first vessel the milk is 15 parts and the water is 20 parts. And in the second vessel the milk is 14 parts and the water is 21 parts. Now in both the vessels the parts are equal. So now directly add the ratios. 15 plus 14 equal to 29 and 20 plus 21 equal to 41. Now the new ratio is 29 is to 41. So now the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture is 29 is to 41. Now we will see the next question. A and B are two alloys, zinc and silver, prepared by mixing metals in proportions 13 is to 11 and 5 is to 7 respectively. If each quantities of two alloys melted to form a third alloy C, the proportion of zinc and silver in C will be. Now we will see the answer for this question. In the first vessel, the zinc is 13 parts and the silver is 11 parts. In second vessel, the zinc is 5 parts and the silver is 7 parts. So now in both the vessels, the parts are not equal. So now to make the parts equal, I am multiplying the second ratio with 2. Now the second ratio will become 10:14. So now in both the ratios, the parts are equal because 13 plus 11 equal to 24 and 10 plus 14 equal to 24. In both the ratios, the parts are equal. If the parts are equal, now directly add the ratios. So 13 plus 10 equal to 23 and 14 plus 11 equal to 25. Now the zinc and silver in third alloy C will be 23:25. Now we will see the next question. Two vessels containing 3 liquids ABC in the ratio of 4:3:1 and 1:2:3. If the both vessels are mixed in the ratio of 1:1, find the ratio of 3 liquids in new mixture. Now we will see the answer for this question. In first vessel, the liquid A is 4 parts and liquid B is 3 parts and liquid C is 1 part. Total 8 parts. In second vessel, the liquid A is 1 part and liquid B is 2 parts and liquid C is 3 parts. Total 6 parts. Now to make the parts equal, I am multiplying the first ratio with 3 and second ratio with 4. Now the new ratios are 12:9:3 and 4:8:12. Now 12 plus 9 plus 3 equal to 24 and 4 plus 8 plus 12 equal to 24. Now the parts are equal, so directly add the ratios. Now 12 plus 4 equal to 16, 9 plus 8 equal to 17 and 3 plus 12 equal to 15. Now the ratio of 3 liquids in new mixture is 16:17:15. Okay, thank you friends. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Please like the video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel.